Another week down, and that means more funds raised. So which were the biggest fundraisers in the third week of September? Let's find out on Your Story's weekly funding roundup. The third week of September saw Indian startups raise close to $169.4 million across 21 equity deals. This is almost a 33% dip in funding value since last week, when Indian startups had raised close to $251.8 million across 17 deals. Indian startups raised close to $21.1 million in debt funding this week across 3 deals. Unlike the past week, growth stage deals took precedence this week. A total of $72.9 million was raised in 4 growth stage deals. However, a majority of these deals were raised by early stage startups. While early stage deals contributed to $36.6 million raised across 15 equity deals, there were 2 late stage deals this week, which contributed to $59.9 million of the overall funding raised by startups this week. And this week saw another startup reportedly make it to India's Unicorn Club. Eyewear solutions startup Lenskart raised about $55 million from Mumbai-based private equity firm Kedara Capital. According to media reports, the Delhi-based company is expected to be valued at around 8,200 crores. That's about $1.15 billion post this funding round. With this capital, Lenskart plans to expand to international markets like Singapore and others. Mumbai-based online stockbroking company Upstocks has raised $25 million as a part of its second round of institutional funding from American fund house Tiger Global Management. The company plans to nearly double its employee count with this funding, as well as develop newer products to attract more customers to the platform. And it doesn't stop there. This week, Tiger Global made multiple investments. Another one was in Kolkata-based Wow Momo Foods to the tune of $23 million in a Series B funding round. Wow Momo Foods will use the capital to scale its operations and consumer base within the country. Following this investment from Tiger Global, the restaurant chain is now valued at $120 million. Bengaluru-based wealth management platform Grow raised $21.4 million as a part of its Series B funding round, led by US-based VC firm Ribbit Capital, along with participation from existing investors Sequoia India and Y Combinator. The company will use these funds to build scalable infrastructure and double its employee count across functions of engineering, product, and growth. This week, prop tech startup Square Yards raised $20 million of equity capital from a clutch of investors, including Bennett Coleman and some prominent angels. Square Yards has so far raised $50 million in equity and over $25 million in debt funding since inception. With a current round of strategic investments, the company's expected valuation is estimated to be in the range of $260 to $300 million. And with that, it's a wrap of the weekly funding roundup for the third week of September. I'm Shivani Muthanna signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem.